we would like to give a special thanks to MGA for providing us with these toys. Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at LOL Surprise. This is a huge unboxing! Our biggest ever! We have LOL Surprise Series 3 Pets, Series 3 LOL Surprise Little Sisters, and LOL Surprise Series 3 Confetti Pop Wave 2. So there is a chance that we might find Punk Boy today. We saw him at Toy Fair, and now I am just obsessed with finding him. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with a Confetti Pop. There are 9 layers of surprises. In layer number 1, we have a sticker, and it has a rock and a drum for Rock the Beat. Could this be Punk Boy? Okay, let's not get too excited. Let's just keep going. Layer number 2, stickers. Layer number 3, a microphone tattoo ring. 6 surprises to go. All right, let's open up this little compartment and pull out whatever this is. Let's see. Glasses. I have a feeling that this is not Punk Boy. Now we just have to spin it to get to the next section. And what is in here? Come on. And can't tell what it is by just touching the bag, so let's rip it open. And we have, it's a little t-shirt dress. Our next surprise is behind door number 3. And I just broke door number 3. But we have in here a bottle. It is yellow, white, and black. 3 surprises to go. And in this compartment, we have, feels like shoes, maybe? Let's see. Pink and black little shoes. And now it's time for the confetti. And here is the big reveal. Oh, excuse me. I'll just be a moment. And I need this. Making her debut is Grunge Girl. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, I know I'm cool. I don't have to say it. Grunge Girl looks totally comfy in her t-shirt that looks like it has little holes in it and her ripped stockings. She has pink hair and a fabulous little updo and blue eyes. And now we have a new collector's catalog, which shows many new characters, including Punk Boy, and it shows many of our favorites that are now napping. Oh man, I never found Cheeky Babe or Can Do Baby, but I'm sure we can still find a few more from Wave 1. Until then, let's have fun opening the rest of these.
Find what I was driving in my spaceship. I could almost see that airstrip. I was going down for a landing, 'cause I finally found my home. I'm like an alien in love.
Here is Go-Go Girl wearing a yellow dress with pink flowers. Love the boots. Let's see who this is. Whoa! Glitter explosion! Check out Independent Queen rocking the red, white, and pink. And she is rare. So far, we have no doubles, and I'm looking over the collector's list to see which one I want. Flower Child is adorable. I definitely want her. Dawn is such a cutie. I need her in my collection. Unicorn, how cute is that? And SPF Cutie, I need her. Fingers crossed for no doubles. Grunge Girl, oh man, we got a double. Twinsies, better luck next time. Go-Go Girl! Seriously? Although I didn't notice that she had freckles before. Love those. Okay, so now we have 2 sets of doubles. We have another gold ball, but if this is Independent Queen, I am going to scream. And it is... it's Goo Goo Queen! Here she is, dressed in black with rainbow glitter and rocking the rollers. I love her sunglasses. I am feeling pretty confident that our double streak is over. Oh, isn't she a cutie? With her little blue high bun. This is Sleepy Bones wearing a long gray t-shirt and pink bunny house shoes. Let's see if we can get a good pop in slow motion. If everyone knew. So cool. Here is Funky QT with silver boots, black and white shorts, a pink top and a blue vest, silver sunglasses, and lavender eyes. We have 2 Confetti Pops left. And this one is... pink hair? Could it be? Rolling into our hearts is Dawn. She is so cute with her little pink and blue ombre cup, denim cutoff jeans, and rainbow top. And check out those skates! Dawn has a pacifier and a yellow hair bow. I am opening our very last Confetti Pop, and I'm getting pretty excited here because the sticker says, "Rock the beat." I found little black shoes, a black milk carton bottle, and it's in a gold ball. Or, you know, the rose gold ball. All signs are pointing to Punk Boy. But, you know, let's just stay calm here. It could be a false alarm. Little tiny bracelets. Or should I say cuffs with spikes. Let's see what's inside of this one. Okay, I'm trying to be calm here. Stay calm, stay calm. Come on, stay calm. This is impossible to open. Okay, here we go. Okay, I think it's him. A t-shirt that says Trouble with jean shorts and a plaid shirt wrapped around the waist. The anticipation is killing me. And this is Punk Boy. He has a color-changing mohawk and freckles. My blind bag luck is usually pretty awful, so this is a big deal for me. Okay, let's open the Little Sisters. You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from. This is Little Snuggle Babe. She comes with a dream diary charm and a little hat. Little PhD BB with a bag and glasses. Little Independent Queen Rare with some skates for her big sis and a bag. Little Shortstop with a cute little hairdo and a baseball bag. Little Funky QT has a silver diaper, comes with a microphone and a hat. Little Glamsternaut also has a silver diaper, comes with a pair of shoes and a planet bag. Little Sleepy Bones, I love her bag, and she has a book of spooky stories. Little Waves. Okay, this bag is my favorite so far. It looks like seashells with pearls. It is so cute. And it will go very nicely with our LOL Surprise Pearl Surprises. Little Waves also comes with a pair of shoes and has a pacifier. This is Little Beatnik Babe in a white and gray striped diaper. She comes with an alphabet soup bag and blue shoes. Our last little sis is the rare Little Madam Queen, looking fabulous with all of her glitter. She comes with a black glitter bag and black glasses. Wow, we have a nice little LOL family here. But of course, our family needs a family pet. With 7 surprises, let's see what we got.
There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know?
For Spicy Kitty, cats rule and dogs drool. She comes with a headband and a collar. And inside of the litter box, there is a surprise. Hopefully it's better than what you normally find in litter boxes. Woo, it's just shoes. But how are we gonna get that sand out? For the rest of our pets, we have Bunny Hun and Dalmatian. A double Spicy Kitty. Fuzzy Fan, another Fuzzy Fan. Purr Baby, DJ Canine, who is super cute. Loving the gold chain. Another Bunny Hun. Double bunnies. Our last pet is in a gold ball, and it is Kitty Kitty. She's all fuzzy and glittery. Thank you for joining us for our largest LOL surprise haul. I am so happy that we found Punk Boy and a few pairs of sisters. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.
It's like a dream.